Good morning, welcome to our channel with your host Arisha Gul. Today we are going to talk about technical communication. That what actually technical communication is. It is the delivery of clear, consistent and factual information, often stemming from complex concepts for safe and efficient use and effective comprehension by users. Technical communication is the exchange of information that helps people interact with technology and solve complex problems. It entails a purposeful transaction between sender and the receiver that provides specific information for practical and specific purposes. Now, technical communication is the exchange of information that helps people interact with technology and solve complex problems. To interact with technology in so many ways, we need information that is not only technically accurate but also easy to understand and use. The major technical communication skills involve listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Now we are gonna elaborate technical communication, that it's the exchange of information that help people interact with each other to solve their problems, to redress their queries, and to interact with technology in so many different ways. We need information that is not only accurate but also easy to comprehend and to communicate. The features of technical communication include clarity, precision, audience awareness. It must be purpose driven. It must be using technical language. It must have diverse formats. Visual support must be provided. Accuracy must be ensured, and usability and collaboration are the key aspects. Now, types of technical communication are two. We are having written communication and oral technical communication. And in written communication, we have emails, memos, letters, reports, proposals, flyers, brochures, faxes, websites, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, blogs, etc., resumes, and many more. And in oral communication, we have leading meetings, conducting performance interviews, facilitating training sessions, conducting interviews, participating in interpersonal communication at work, facilitating training sessions, teleconferences, video conferences, and many more. Now we have communication channels like audience and purpose. So we have a speaker like marketing personnel or marketing officers, and they communicate through brochures, sales, letters, blogs and phone calls, and they communicate in order to promote new products or services, and it's an external mode of communication. Similarly, we have customers. It's another example, who communicate through inquiry or complaint letters or per phone calls, and in order to ask about complaints and about products or services, and they are external mode of communication. Same goes for vendors, who communicate through newsletters, phone calls, emails, and the purpose of their communication is to serve the clients on updating their prices on new prices and products or services, and it's an external mode of communication. Same as management, which communicates through oral presentation or department staff, and it communicates in order to update employees on many different aspects, and it's an internal mode of communication. Let's proceed towards conclusion. This video is designed in order to define technical communication and explain its significance in improving clarity, efficiency and collaboration in technological industry. And the video introduces 5 elements like clarity, conciseness, organization, audience awareness, accuracy. It also shows visuals and active voice and bullet points, and it recommends overusing jargons and being too vague in a technical communication environment. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Jazakallah.